Hi everyone, Sat Shri Akal. Welcome to my channel. This is Steal the Style Season 2. So today, instead of talking about any film or TV actress, let's discuss the beauty secrets of a famous singer. She is quite popular among the young generation and she is fondly called Chota Packet Bada Dhamaka, and she recently got married. I'm sure you are able to guess who she is, and also because I've mentioned her name in the title of this video, it's going to be about Neha Kakkar. She has got millions of fans on her social media, then millions of subscribers on her YouTube channel, and millions of views on her songs. And I'm sure because of all this, she has got millions in her pocket too. So if you are one of her fans and you want to know how she takes care of her skin, hair, makeup, and workout, this video is for you. Please keep on watching.
मिले हो तुम हमको बड़े नसीबों से चुराया है मैंने किस्मत की लकीरों से.
She drinks about 8 to 9 glasses of water daily. She likes to drink green tea the first thing in the morning. Neha used to suffer from acne. She cleared them with dietary and lifestyle changes, and she also uses a moisturizer recommended by her dermatologist. She has got oily skin, so she cleanses twice a day. She never goes to sleep with her makeup on, so cleansing, toning and moisturizing in a day is must for her. She uses a non-comedogenic moisturizer. She applies lip balm twice or thrice a day. She always wears a good SPF sunscreen before stepping out. She's got dry hair, so she oils twice or thrice a week. She likes to wear her natural curls, but occasionally she likes straightening them too. She can't exercise because of her busy schedule and travel. She likes to be active after eating. She uses stairs then lifts, and she does other physical activities like walking, standing or dancing. She avoids oily and junk food. Instead, she opts for salads and homemade food. She always likes to prep her skin before putting makeup on. She either uses a primer or any kind of makeup base. She prefers using concealer than foundation. Kohl pencil, lip gloss and mascara are her daily favorites. Most of the time she likes to do the no makeup look. She's a fan of light contouring. She likes to go a little heavy on makeup but only for events. She likes pinkish, reddish, girly makeup. Her makeup tip to look more awake is to highlight the inner corner of her eyes. She is a fan of MAC and Bobbi Brown makeup. Browns, corals and reds are her favorite lip shades. So that's all for today. Here I end today's video. If I still haven't done any of your favorite actresses' beauty secrets video, please write her name either in the comment section below, or you can follow me on my social media and you can write the name there too. You can find me as Punjabi Beauty on Duty. So that's all for today. If you liked today's video, give it big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself, stay healthy, stay blessed. Bye-bye.